He toa I runga I te papariki, engari tētā ia te kaha o tā whirimātea te karo nōna I o kahukura I te wā I karawhiuwhiu hia ai tauataki wā e tētahi huripari. Kaia Irena Smith tēnei pūrongo.
Across the moon, and now Lock in the corner!
He toa ia mo te Kapa Warriors, engari he rongo tonu ana a Kevin Lock I te mataku me te ohorere.
It was very upsetting and it was very scary.
Ko tahi rau mita noiho te tawhitia Lock ki te ara o te huripari.
I was just out having lunch at Nando's just across the road from where it all happened, and there's just a lot of noise coming through the door, and the lady from Nando's yelled, what's that tree doing in the air? And we all happened to duck under the table, and I was stupid enough to go to the window and record it.
Koe nei te mahuetanga o ngā kitenga a Kevin Lock me ngā karawhiu a te huripari. Hei tāna he āhuatanga tēnei e kore, e warewaretia.
After it all happened, I went across the road to see if anyone was alright, and I seen, a few people on the ground and suspect of one of the guys that had, been recorded dead, and, it wasn't a good look, and, last night I was sitting up for a long time just thinking about it.
Mō etahi kaimahi ki te rohe o kahukura, he ahua anoi ki tea I te wā kaputi.
Well, I'm making myself a coffee just over here, and we just heard this wicked, like a jet engine roar through the building, and just from the coffee room we just seen, I guess it was metal, corrugated iron, just flying past there.
I te hoki atu tētahi o rātou ki te kāinga, engari kaore ia I mōhio I te traiwake ia ki te pokapū o te huripari.
My van started shaking and everybody was going, it was a hurricane or whatever it was. And then I didn't know what to do, and everybody was stopping and pulling over, and I was just trying to get out as quickly as I can and get home.
I te rā nei he whakapaipai te mahi mā ngā pakihi, I puta hoki te rōpū ārai whawhati mahi ki ngā kāinga kua kino te wāwā hitia. Engari mō Kevin Lock me huri ngā whakaro I nāi nei ki tāna mahi mā te Kapa Warriors.
It's something I would never forget though, yesterday, but it's always going to be in the back of my mind.
He tika rā te kōrero, aha kua ko wai koe, no hea koe, ko tahi tonu te wairua o te tangata I te wā o te parekura. Irena Smith, Te Karere.